is an effort for us to prevent the unlawful, or what we believe to be unlawful, authorization of raises that was granted by Jim Holman.
KOCO first told you about more than 100 employees at the Oklahoma County Jail getting pay raises that the jail trust didn't approve. It turns out the chairman of the trust, Jim Holman, gave the green light on his own. Now, the Neal Center for Justice is asking the courts if the authorization is legal in this protective order.
We're not trying to, especially in this economy, trying to tell people, no, you need to pay that back. But any kind of action that's taken that's an illegal action can't proceed if there's clear evidence that what was done was not the wishes of the board.
I don't understand it. I've never met the guy, he's never met me, so I don't understand where it's coming from.
The Neal Center for Justice tells me citizens came to them with concerns, which prompted this legal action.
That's troubling. I know that the folks that are part of that board are appointed, they're not elected, but they still represent the people of Oklahoma County. And if they are going to be in charge of the jail, then they need to take that responsibility seriously.
But Mr. Holman stands behind the raises, saying they were needed to help recruit and retain staff.
The pay raises that were done before the vote, yes. That was all involved with a new academy, and it was to try to recruit people. It was a $200,000 expense, a little over $200,000 for the remaining part of the year. And that was done around Christmas time, but didn't take effect till February, which is what caused the problems.
Now a hearing has been set for July to hear this temporary restraining order.
As far as what we're going to do, there's not anything for us to do. We've got a jail that's doing better, and we want to keep running it, improving it. And that's where our focus is, and that's where it's going to continue to be.
Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.